If you're experiencing slow Eero Wi-Fi, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick 1-minute guide, I'll explain why Eero speeds slow down and exactly how to fix it using simple, proven steps. Slow Eero Wi-Fi is usually caused by a mix of interference, placement issues, congestion, or software problems. Everyday electronics like microwaves, baby monitors, and cordless phones interfere with Wi-Fi signals because they operate on similar frequencies. Physical obstacles such as walls, floors, and large furniture weaken signals as they pass through, and the farther you are from an Eero node, the weaker the signal becomes. Network congestion is another major factor. Too many connected devices split your available bandwidth, slowing everything down. Outdated firmware can also hurt performance, since updates include speed improvements and bug fixes. Finally, remember that your internet speed can never exceed what your ISP plan provides, no matter how good your Eero setup is. To fix slow speeds, start by placing Eero units on raised, open surfaces away from electronics and metal objects. Keep mesh nodes within about 50 feet of each other for strong coverage. Disconnect unused devices, enable client steering, so devices use the faster 5 GHz band, and run the Eero app health check to spot issues. Always keep your Eero software updated and use Ethernet where possible for key devices.